Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Live or DIECAST. As always, I want to thank each and every single one of you for hitting that play button. Please drop a comment, leave a like if you like what you see. If you haven't been here before, welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. Thank you so much. And if you have been here before, well, thank you for coming back. Today is Wednesday, and it is Wheel Swap Wednesday. This is a little Honda Civic EF, is in beautiful shape. I'm going to do some rear taillight details, and we are going to do a wheel swap. Look at the front end. I mean, the front end is perfect. It's got the parking lights, the headlights, the Honda logo. You got the dual overhead cam, DOHC, and of course, it's a Honda, so you know it's running the VTEC. So, fasten your seatbelt, hold on tight. It's going to be a wild ride. Live or DIECAST Nation, let's get dirty. Let's wheel swap this bad boy. This is what we are going to be using for the wheel donor. This is a Hot Wheels Premium Batman Classic TV Series Batmobile. These chrome-lipped 5 spokes are absolutely gorgeous, and I think these wheels are going to look good on this car. So we're going to do a wheel swap. We're going to swap both of them. Stay tuned. Stick around. We'll be back. All right, let's get this TV Series Batmobile busted open. Let's turn on my light here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. Again, this is Wheel Swap Wednesday. So we're going to take the wheels from this. We're going to put them on the Honda Civic EF. And we're going to take these wheels and put them on the Batmobile. And it is still going to look fire. So let's get into it. Let's pop this bad boy open. I always save these good thick cards for my JB Weld. They make perfect mixing plates for my JB Weld. So note to self, save those cards and you can use them later on. And here we go. Got the Batmobile, metal base of course. Got the turbo on the back. And these wheels are sick. I checked those out. So, all right, we are going to get this thing drilled. We're going to drill our rivets. And we'll be back. We're going to take our number 51 drill bit, and then this is our number 52 plug tap, number 51 drill bit, and 9/64. This is my little kit that I use, and I got this off of Amazon. It's got both bits and the tap. Again, there's the part number if anybody's interested in that. All right, let's take our 9/64 drill bit and let's drill these rivets. All right, got our rivets drilled out on our donor. We are going to get this thing apart without messing it up. All right, got the rivets drilled out. Now let's see if we can get it separated. Boom. I'm going to set that over to the side. And we are going to get our wheels extracted. All right. We were able to get our wheels extracted. We've got both sets. Those things are going to look sick on the Civic. And I do that. I use my little end nips and I just go at it and I just pinch off the ends of those little things, and then I take my little screwdriver and I separate it, and then I get underneath the axle and I just pop it right up, pop it right off. Works great for me. It's a nice way that I have found. Makes getting the wheels out of these metal bases a lot easier, and it will allow the new axle to go right in as well. Now we are going to clean off our tray, and we are going to get ready to take our little Civic apart and take the wheels out of it and get these new ones put on. All right, we have got our Civic. We've got the rivets drilled out on our Civic. And let's see if this thing will come apart for us. There we go. All right, now on the plastic bases, it's not that difficult. We can just take our little screwdriver and we'll just pry those little tabs back out of the way. We'll ensure that our new ones go right back in as well. Do the same thing on the other end. Those out of there. All right, so we've got our base, got our tabs, got it drilled out. Now let's drill and tap our bodies. We have got our little Honda Civic EF. We've got it drilled, tapped. We did run our screws in to make sure that those were going to fit nice and snug, and they do. So we'll go ahead and take those out, and we will get this thing put together and let you all check it out and see what you think. I think it's going to look fresh on these new shoes, and I am going to do some taillight details too. So I think that'll make it pop as well. But these new shoes are gonna look nice. I have a feeling it's gonna set the whole thing off. Let's see here. Put that in there. Together. Oh yeah, nice. Let's get our screws in it and we will get this thing turned around and we will check it out. It's gonna look sick. And I will also show you all the Batmobile. It turned out pretty good with those red laced PR5s on it. Kind of matches the red outline on the Batmobile. So that looked pretty cool. It doesn't go to waste. It still looks cool sitting on the display as well. All right, our wheels roll. We're going to keep that there. We're going to get this out of our way, get our mess cleaned up. Stay tuned, stick around. We'll be back for the reveal. Right, we're back for the reveal. As you can see, that little Honda Civic sitting there looking fresh on those chrome laced 5 spokes. But let's not sleep on this Batmobile. Check this out. This thing looks pretty sick, right? I mean, for a wheel swap, those red laced PR5s look pretty sick on the old Batmobile. What do you think? Not too bad. We use the screws to go back together on this one so we can sit on the display shelf and look cool, and it still rolls. That's nice. Now let's get to the main attraction here. This thing completely transformed this little Civic, and those 5 spokes look sick. Yes, it still rolls. No rubbing issues. I have not done the rear details yet, but this thing is fresh. Oh, there it is. Wheel Swap Wednesday by Live or DIECAST. Again, I want to take this time to thank Tortoise Tom for sending me this little Honda Civic. If it wasn't for him, I would not have this little beauty in my collection. So, thank you, Tortoise Tom. Hope everybody enjoyed this little short Wheel Swap Wednesday video. I will try to upload these on Wednesdays from here forward, so stay tuned for those. As always, this has been Live or DIECAST. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.